Assalamualaikum. I'm Sufi and I work with Ehsan Relief. And because I work with Ehsan Relief, people love to ask questions. For example, Yusuf's asking, do you build water wells? Yusuf, we've got more than 5,000 water wells across 5 different countries. That's not a stat, that's clean water for entire communities.
Didn't see that coming. So, Daniel's asking, how many orphans have you sponsored? Over 1,000. Yes! That's more than 1,000 orphans supported across more than 11 countries. That's not just impact, that's a legacy. And the legacy continues through our Umrah for Orphans program. 10 years on, we brought more than 700 Palestinian orphans from Jordan to perform Umrah, opening their hearts to faith, dignity, and spiritual renewal.
Another one. Amina's asking, is it true you serve 1 million meals? Just 1 million? We've done over 2 million meals and counting. Over the last 10 years, that's over 200,000 meals a year, which means that's 548 meals every single day. Let's just say, if food will follow us, we'll be verified.
So, Zahra's asking, how many schools have you built? Well, we don't just build schools, we've refurbished classrooms, delivered thousands of stationery kits, gifted bags to students who used to walk miles, and reached over 14,000 children around the world. So yeah, the future is already on the move.
So, Bilal is asking, have you built any masjids? Masjids? We've done over 100 of them! And they're classed as a wakaf project. We built it once, but it rewards communities for generations. You asked, we delivered.
10 years, one vision, and a global legacy built on Ehsan!